In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to standardize product title, naming for better search in Shopify. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the left sidebar and click Products. This opens your full product list. On this page, you should see all 6 products, and the titles are not using the same naming style. Scroll briefly through the list so the different title formats are visible on screen. As you move down the page, the issue becomes clear. Some titles begin with the color, some begin with the size, and some begin with the product type. That inconsistency makes search less predictable for customers, and it also makes product listings look uneven. Now move to the top left of the product list and click the checkbox there to select the products on the page. After that, look for the banner that appears above the list and click Select all 6 products. With all 6 items selected, go to the toolbar at the top and click Bulk Edit. The bulk editor opens in a spreadsheet-style layout. Each product appears in its own row, and each editable field appears in a column. Before changing any titles, make sure the title column is visible. It is usually shown by default as the first column on the left. If you do not see it, go to the top right corner, click Columns, and then check Title to add it into the table. Now click into the title field for the first product. Remove the current title completely. Then type Ceramic Mug-Blue-12 Oz. Enter that carefully so the product type comes first, then the variant or color, then the size. This is the format we are applying across all 6 products. Move to the second product and click its title field. Clear the existing text, then type Coffee Cup-White-Large. Keep the same structure here as well, with the product type first, followed by the variant, then the size descriptor. Go to the third product and click in the title field. Delete the old title, then type Travel Thermos-Black-16 Opsod. Make sure the wording follows the exact same sequence so the titles stay consistent across the catalog. For the fourth product, click the title field and replace the current text. Type Espresso Mode-Red-Small. Again, the title begins with the product type, then the color, then the size. Next, click into the fifth product title. Remove what is there now and type T-Set-Green-Matche. Even though the last part is not a numeric size, it still fits into the same final position in the title structure being used here. Then go to the sixth product and click the title field. Clear the old title and type Latte Art Cup -Cream-8 offs. Once this is entered, all 6 products in the bulk editor should now follow the same naming convention. Product type, then variant, then size. When all title changes are in place, go to the top right corner of the bulk editor and click Save. Wait until Shopify confirms that the changes have been saved. After the save is complete, return to the product list by clicking the back arrow, or by clicking Products again in the left sidebar. Back on the Products page, the 6 listings now display with a consistent title format. The naming pattern is uniform across the catalog, so the titles are easier to scan and easier to search. Now verify how this improves search on the storefront. In the left sidebar, click Online Store. Then click View Your Store, or click the eye icon to open the storefront in a new tab. Once the store loads, click the search icon. In the search field, type Mug. Give the storefront a moment to show the matching products. The results should now group the mug products together more clearly because the keyword appears in a consistent position within the product titles. You should see Ceramic Mug-Blue-12 Oz, Espresso Mug-Red-Small, and Latte Art Cup-Cream-8 Oz displayed in a cleaner and more predictable way during search. At this point, the product titles have been standardized and the search behavior is easier to follow. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.